Namaste. Subject Class 10th Mathematics NCERT Syllabus. Sample Paper 1 Class 10th Exam 2025 to 26 Mathematics Standard. Section A. Section A consists of 20 questions of 1 mark each. Second question. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. The event E is that card is not an ACE of arts. The number of outcomes favorable to E is option A 4, option B 13, option C 48, option D 51. So a card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. So there are 52 cards in a standard deck. Okay. The event E is that card is not an AC of hearts. The number of outcomes favorable to E find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Formula ಏನು? The number of outcomes favorable to E equal to total number of cards is 52 minus AC of hearts. The event E is that card is not an AC of hearts ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದು. So 52 minus 1 is 51. So the number of outcomes favorable to E is 51. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. So solution ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Answer for this problem. Number of outcomes favorable to E. There are 52 cards in a standard deck. The event E is that the card drawn is not an AC of hearts. Since there is only one AC of hearts in the entire deck, the number of outcomes favorable to event E is the total number of cards minus the single AC of hearts. Formula ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the number of outcomes favorable to event E equal to the total number of cards minus the single AC of hearts. So total number of cards is 52. AC of heart is 1. Okay. Number of outcomes favorable to E equal to total cards minus AC of hearts. Total cards is 52. AC of hearts is 1. 52 minus 1 is 51. So number of outcomes favorable to E is 51. Thus D is correct option. Thank you so much. Namaste.